Good morning, students. Now we'll continue with our second chapter, Thunder Cake. Thunder means a loud crashing noise heard after lightning. And cake, in this story, a small child is baking a cake. Now let's see how the story starts. On sultry summer days at my grandma's farm in Michigan, sultry means hot. The air gets damp and heavy. Damp means moisture. Storm clouds drift. Drift means slow. Low over the fields. Birds fly close to the ground. The clouds glow for an instant with a sharp crackling light, and then a roaring, low, tumbling sound of thunder makes the windows shudder. Shudder means shaking in their panes. The sound used to scare me when I was little. I loved to go to Grandma's house, Babushka, as I used to call my grandma, had come from Russia years before. Now, this a small child, she is telling about her grandma Babushka. She used to call her Babushka. And she is also describing about the thunder. Before I feared Michigan's summer storm, I feared the sound of thunder more than everything. Now, this child is telling that she is afraid of this thundering. I always hid under the bed when the storm moved near the farmhouse. As there was a thundering going on outside, this child is hiding herself under the bed. This is the story of how my grandma, my babushka, helped me overcome my fear of thunderstorm. This child is telling that as she was afraid of this thunder, she is telling how her grandma has helped her to overcome her fear. Grandma looked at the horizon, drew a deep breath, and said, "This is thunder cake baking weather. All right, look like a storm coming to me." Her grandma is explaining to her that thunder cake is means this thunder is baking the weather. Child, you come out from under that bed. It's only thunder that you are hearing. My grandmother told to child to come out from the bed and explaining her that it's only a thunder. The air was hot, heavy and damp. A loud clap of thunder shook the house, rattled the windows and grabbed me close her. As again the thundering was going on, she was getting scared, so she hugged her grandmother. I was so scared that I could barely see what was going on. This child was very afraid as thundering was going on. She was very scared and she hugged her grandmother.